Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
So hello guys, this is How to Solve, and today we're gonna see how to change our Fiverr username. As you can see, I am now on Fiverr.com and in particular page on a profile page. This one's a username right there, but from this profile page, I cannot actually change it right away. So the only thing that I can do right now is add like what they call a story in one line. I don't really know, but this one allow us to change this one. And I found a way to change it, but it's not as simple as it gets. Alright, let me show you guys. So we need to click on our profile. So click on settings. And then here we need to deactivate our account. And then when we choose, we can see here that we can select, I want to change my username. So unfortunately right now, the only way to change your username is to deactivate your account. Which is not the best thing to do because you will lose all of the reviews that you got if you are selling actually gigs. But I feel like if you are just buying on Fiverr, it is not a big of a deal. I'll definitely let you guys know if I find another way that doesn't need an account activation in order to do so. But let me know if you found this tutorial useful, and if you want to learn something more, comment below in the comment section.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.